Namaste all dear learners. I'm going to explain here things of the fraction and decimal from the grade 7 mathematics. Here I start. In this first number of this topic, we are asked to identify the proper, improper and mixed fraction from the given questions. And before understanding of that, before answering of these things, we should have known what do we understand by proper fraction, what is the improper and what is the mixed fraction. So proper fraction is those that kind of the fractions where denominator should be greater, is it? So here a numerator and b is the denominator. If b denominator is greater, right, b denominator is greater than a, then this fraction we call proper fraction, right? This we call what? Proper fraction. And for example, here you see 1 by 4, right? In this number a, 1 by 4, denominator 4 is there, which is greater than numerator 1, so it's proper fraction, right? Same like we can identify here 1 by 8, where 8 is being greater than 1, or denominator is greater than 1. That is why this is the proper fraction, is it? And same like we can find here next one. Is there anyone? Yeah, there is next. Minus 11 by 12, where you see denominator 12 is greater than numerator, is it? So that is the proper fraction, right? And after understanding proper fraction, now we go for the another fraction which we call improper fraction. Suppose there is a form of m by n, and where m is greater than n, I mean numerator is greater than n, right? Then such fraction we call what? Improper fraction, right? Improper fraction. So where numerator should be greater. Now let's identify which are here improper fraction. So 7 by 2, which you see there, 7 is numerator which is greater than denominator 2, so that's the improper fraction. And same like there is 26 by 17, where 26 is greater than 17, so that is numerator greater than denominator, so that is also improper fraction, is it? And next there is 15 by 7, where 15 is the numerator and 7 denominator, and there you see numerator greater than the denominator, is it? So that is why it's also improper fraction. And after understanding these two kind of fractions, now we go for the mixed fraction, right? So mixed fraction is that one which is in form of the a whole number b by c, right? So here a is the whole number and then b by c is the fraction attached with, right? So that kind of the formation of the number that we call mixed number or mixed fraction, is it? That we call their mixed fraction. So when we search of the mixed fraction over there in this number 1, we see here this one 2 whole number 7 by 8, that is the mixed fraction. And same like there is minus 4 number 1 by 9, that is also the mixed fraction, right? And after doing this number now 1, we go with the number 2, right? So here is this. Sorry. So what's said here, see, write the 5 equivalent fractions of the following fractions. They're given some fractions. For that we have to identify their equivalent fractions, and forming equivalent, right, for that we have to multiply given fraction, right, by some same number in both of the numerator and denominator. Then which fraction will be formed next will be equivalent to the original fraction. So one example will be enough for you to let you learn this. So I'm going with number c, right? So here I've taken 7 by 8, right, from number c. Now for this, let's go serially by multiplying with few numbers, same both in both numerator and denominator. Easy number you can take. So I'm taking with 2, is it? By 2 I multiplied here both of the numerator and denominator. So 7 2 you get 14, 8 to get there 60, is it? And next I go with multiplying by 3, so into 3 by 3 I do 21 by 24. Then third I go, I multiply with 4, 7 4 28, 8 4 32. Then I go with another equivalent fraction for the same fraction. I go with 5, is it? So 7 5 35, 8 5 40, is it? And then next one I go 7 by 8 into, I do with 6, is it? So 42 by 48. So here these formations of fractions are equivalent to 7 by 8. So we say here equivalent fractions of 7 by 8 are, is it? So first we did 14 by 16, next we found 21 by 24, then next we found 28 by 32, then next we found 35 by 40, is it? And then last one we found 42 by 48, is it? So these are the equivalent fractions of the given fraction 7 by 8. Now I go with the number 3. So how is this? I mean to say here which fractions we have found, is it? So these are not limited equivalent fractions. You can find as many times, right? So infinite fractions may be there which will be equivalent to the any given fractions, and which time like you can do remaining all the numbers. So I'm very sure that you have answered this number for finding equivalent fraction of given fraction. So I move to number 3, and for that I write this. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going with number 3 now. So let's see what is said in here, number 3. Okay, so here said to write down the following fractions in their lowest terms, right? So here few fractions we are given, right? We have to find their lowest forms. So I'll take one example, very easier one. I go with first the C number, right? So number C, 32 by 36 we do have, right? And now we have to identify its lowest term or lowest fraction, is it? Or reduced fraction you can say. Now these both are the even numbers, is it? 32 and 36 both are even numbers, so they are definitely divisible by 2, is it? So let's divide by 2 for this. 2 16 the 32 and 2 18 the 36, and by cancelling one time, let's not cancel for next time in the same line, so that nothing will be mistaken, like. So I copy that first, what is residue over there after cross cancellation, and still these numbers are the even numbers, so definitely they will get divided by 2, is it? So 2 8 is 16, 2 9, so that got here 8 by 9, and 8 and 9, these are one even and another odd number, and they are not sharing any common factor, is it? So this is the lowest form for this 32 by 36, right? So I go one more, I go with G number now next. So we have there 114 divided by 126. Still you see these two numbers of numerator and denominator both even, so definitely they will go divisible by 2. So let's do that. 114 by 126, so let's cut by 2 first. 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is, and here 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is, and now it's getting there 57 by 63, and they're divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, is it? And below there is 3 2s and 3 1s, so 19 by 21 we got, is it? And 19, that is a prime number, so it's not divisible by any other number. though there are 21 below, which is divisible by 3 and 7, but these two, numerator and denominator, they are not sharing any common factor, so it's the reduced form of the 114 by 126. So I guess you can do all of the numbers by yourself, just have to understand this number C and D. That's it. So go for it, you can do by yourself. And for to let you understand number 4, I remove it, right? Number 4 now, right? So let's remove it first, and I clear this. Okay, so now I'm going with number 4. So let's see what's there in number 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5 I'll keep together here. Number 4 and number 5. So here to do number 4 and 5, right? So let's see what we do have here first, right? So let's say, dear, see, in number 4 there we are asked to write down the given mixed fractions in the improper fraction, right? So I'm picking here number B. So let it stand for first. So B number 3 whole number 2 by 5 would you have, and now to convert it into the improper fraction, or to open the whole number, like what we have to do here is, so first you need to understand this 3, which is whole number, and there 2 and 5, they are numerator and denominator, is it? So what we have to do here is whole number we multiply, right? Whole number we multiply by the denominator, and what comes that we get added with the numerator, right? And after that, so what denominator is there, which denominator is there, same we copy denominator, right? So let's do same thing here. Whole number is 3, is it? And then into numerator, denominator is there 5, and plus numerator 2, is it? And once we do that, by denominator 5 we get divided, so 3 5 15 plus 2 we do have by 5, so it's 17 divided by 5, is it? So that way we can do all other numbers of this B, right? So you can go for doing other numbers by yourself, just after understanding the number which I have now explained, right? And I go for number 5. And in number 5 they said write down the following improper fraction into the mixed fractions, is it? We are given there's some improper fraction, and then we have to convert into the mixed fraction. So I'm taking here number C to let you understand. So there in this number C, 37 by 8, is it? So this number we need to convert into the mixed fraction. So divisor is 8, by that we divide here numerator 37. So we need to identify some time which will not go beyond 37 when we multiply, right? So let's go for counting for the multiplication table of 8, is it? So 8 5 is 40, but 40 is, but there is 37, is it? So 40 we cannot take, is it? So 8 4s are, let's see, is it? 8 4s are 32, is it? And now it gets subtracted 5 we get there, is it? And what remainder we got here, right? So this we have to keep as the numerator, and by what we have divided sorry, that we have to keep below as the denominator, and that will be the uh, mixed fraction of the given improper fraction. So we can say here, therefore 37 divided by 8 is equal to 4 whole number 5 by 8. That's it. Okay. I go one more case, E number I go, alright, E number or F number. Okay, I go F number. So I read this. Now I'm going number F, alright. So in the number F, we are said here, we're given here 193 divided by 20, is it? So what you have to do here, by 20 we need to divide 193, is it? So by 20 how many times it will go 193, we have to see. So 25 is 100, so 20 tens are 200, but it's not 200, it's below 200, is it? So not 10 times, it would go 9 times, is it? So 9 times if we do, it will get there 180. 20 into 9 is 180, and then we get subtracted 13 we get, and that 13 we keep in the numerator and 20 we keep below down in the denominator. So therefore we can say here 193 over 20 is equal to, in the mixed fraction, 9 whole number 13 divided by 20. So up to 5 number we did it. Now for remaining numbers starting from 6 to the 7, 8, 9 like that, so I'll be catching you in the next video. I'll letting you learn definitely for sure. And uh, up to before going by ending of this video, so I'd like to request you to share, subscribe, and hit like and pass some comments. It will be good feedback for me. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you everyone.